name is John, and this is my teammate Marcus and Tyga. And today we believe that the positive outweighed the negative when the Europeans came to the natives. Our reason for that is the Europeans gave the natives some horses, also new technologies, and that made us think that the positive outweighed the negative.
Hello, my name is Grace Markley, and this is Ayaka and Gabby, my debate teammates. And our argument is the contact between the natives and the Europeans. Negative effects outweigh the positive effects. And one of the examples for negative effects are tobacco plantations and sugarcane. And they had to cut down a lot of trees, and they had to get more slaves to work at their plantations. And they destroyed a lot of homes of the natives, and that was a negative effect.
That might be true, but we believe that the natives adopted some of the European technology like weapons, which is positive, because it allows the natives to hunt better, to defend themselves, and to win wars. I disagree with Marcus's statement because the Europeans forced the natives to be slaves in their own land, and 90% of the natives died because of slavery. Almost 10 million natives were brought to the Americas to be used as slaves. A lot of slavery happened when the European settlers came.
That may be true, but in the past, many explorers have shown us that the Europeans were treating the natives positively. One of the explorers is Samuel de Champlain. He formed a relationship with the natives, and he learned how they live in their daily lives. Also, he agreed to provide assistance to the further west natives to fight in war. By now, you must be convinced that there were some explorers that treated the natives positively.
I disagree with John because when the Europeans came and explored the New World, they saw the natives and they came along with their diseases, and that spreaded their diseases, and they got sick and they died, and they had no cure for their sickness, so they had to suffer and die. And how would you feel if your parents or family members died just because of the sickness they brought? How do you feel then? Now, may be true that a lot of people die, but the Europeans gave goods to the natives, such as food, weapons, and animals, such as horses. The weapons were used to defend their country. The horses were to improve their hunting and improve their appetite. Also, you wouldn't know your religion, and you also wouldn't know that other people live in other countries. I admit that Tyga said was true about giving them weapons or either horses for them to travel long distances, but we believe that when the Europeans came, their goals were to find other treasures, either spread religion and trade empires, but when they saw the natives, they had more ideas of making their lives more miserable to get what they wanted. true, but there are more. That may be true, but you must believe my point of view because I have done a lot of research and read a lot of fact sheets. So that's why there are more positive effects than negative.
Thank you.